the market wisdom, Nifty's bullish momentum is fading hurriedly. Nifty's all-time high at 26,373.20 now acts as big hurdle. Bank Nifty was also seen sobbing in yesterday's trade. Technically, Bank Nifty's crucial support at 59750 remains the line in the sand. A breakdown below this level could accelerate downside pressure. Our call of the day, well, the bull market at Dalal Street will be in serious trouble if Bank Nifty slips below the 59,700 mark. The near-term headlines in focus. 1. Dow Jones hit the pause button after closing above 49,000 for first time. 2. Escalating geopolitical risks after the US military action in Venezuela. 3. Potential escalation in US-India trade tensions after President Trump warned of swift tariff hikes if India continues its Russian oil purchases. Long story short, bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength as Nifty's near-term bullish momentum appears to be losing steam. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1528 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2889 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 9.95 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.02 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.02 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.05. Nifty outlook. The bull market at Dalal Street is facing serious fatigue on backdrop of increased selling pressure from FII's camp. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26141. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,057 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,373 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26050 and 26300. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 84961. Biggest support for Sensex is now placed only at 84,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,500 and 85500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59991. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,500 and 60500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. According to the National Statistics Office, NSO, releasing these first advance estimates, the Indian GDP is expected to grow 7.4% in real terms during the 2026 financial year and maintain India's spot as the fastest growing economy in the G20. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Indian jewelry stocks staged a sharp rally on Tuesday after strong Q3 FY26 business updates reinforced confidence in resilient consumer demand. Senco Gold led the charge with a 11.83% surge, while Kalyan Jewellers climbed nearly 3.87%, as both companies reported robust revenue growth, supported by a buoyant festive season and aggressive retail expansion. Titan Company extends momentum. Titan Company advanced 3.94% to 4,274 rupees and scaled fresh all-time high at 4,312 rupee after reporting 40% YoY growth in its consumer business for Q3 FY26. 2. Lemon Tree Hotels, plus 4.07%, 154 rupees and 60 paise. Shares of Lemon Tree Hotels Limited were in limelight on media reports that Warburg Pincus, the private equity firm, is likely to acquire a meaningful stake in the hotel chain. 3. Wockhardt Limited, plus 3.09%, 1,511 rupees. Shares of Wockhardt Limited gained after the company said it has filed a marketing authorization application with the European Medicines Agency for its novel antibiotic, WCK 50-22, 2 days ago.